Welcome back to the Poindeo guide. In this guide, we'll show you how to add a soundtrack or voiceover to your Poindeo projects. This works for videos, static images, and PDFs. You can turn silent screen recordings into engaging marketing videos or create a voiceover demo video. Let's get started. To start, I have a video on my timeline with the canvas already set up. To add music, head over to the audio panel. Here you can browse our royalty-free music library or upload your own file under My Audio. You can even save up to 20 of your own files for access later. For this video, I'll choose a track from the library. You can preview it first. Then click the end to place it on the timeline. Once it's on the timeline, select audio clip and then you can adjust its volume. Trim the ends to the perfect length, or simply drag the entire clip to reposition it. Poindeo allows you to add multiple soundtracks to one video. Just move the playhead to the position and add the next track. Let's play to see how that looks. To remove an audio clip, select it and click the delete icon or press the backspace key on your keyboard. Next, adding audio to an image is just as easy. You can add a soundtrack from the library or upload your own. Or for explainer videos, head over to the narration panel. This powerful feature lets you record your voice while simultaneously clicking on the canvas to create perfectly synced zoom animations. For a detailed walkthrough of the narration feature, watch our previous guide on how to create explainer videos from images. Once everything is perfect, hit the export button to save your creation in high quality. As a quick tip, if you created several clips and only need to export a single one, go to the Scenes tab, hover over the scene you want, and click the download icon. So that's how you turn a silent video or static image into a polished demo with audio. That's it for this guide. Happy creating!